In this video you will see how to clean the diesel particulate filter or DPF on a Mazda CX-5 2.2 Diesel Skyactive from 2013. I decided to clean the particulate filter for two reasons. The first reason was because of the smoke it emitted in the morning when the engine is revving to warm up. And the second reason is because of the mileage or kilometers driven of over 200,000 kilometers, most of which were done in the city, and why not? A preventive cleaning of the particulate filter would never hurt. For cleaning the DPF I used one of the most efficient cleaners on the market, Gertechteile DPF, which you can find it below at the link in the video description. If you followed the instructions on the product and did not obtain a lower value than the one you started with, get your money back. This is how the Gertechteile DPF cleaner looks like, along with an application kit that contains an orange adapter and a hose through which the solution is poured into the particulate filter. The hose also comes with an adapter for the lambda sensor, in case the DPF cleaner is inserted through the temperature sensor. Start the engine and wait for the engine water temperature to reach 90 degrees Celsius. Required tools: 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench, pliers for removing clamps. Remove the cover and heat protection from the engine. Locate the differential pressure sensor. In this case it is above the engine at the back. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the two screws from the sensor. Gertechteile DPF also offers you a guarantee that if the cleaner does not work, you can get your money back on the product. You should know that the back pressure hose is always the one with the greater thickness. In this case it is the one on the left side of the sensor. 5. Remove the hose using pliers and then connect the pressure gauge to it to check the pressure in the DPF. Here you can see how the pressure value increases when the engine is accelerated. As you can see, the back pressure value in the filter is approximately 90 to 100 millibars. 6. Stop the engine and then connect the can to the hose from the differential pressure sensor and pour the cleaner into the filter. Guaranteed results or your money back. If you make a video of the car cleaning procedure following all the instructions on the bottle packaging correctly and do not get a lower pressure value than the one you started with, you will receive all your money back. Let the Gertechteile DPF cleaning solution act for approximately 15 minutes with the engine off. You can already see that the car has started to take the white smoke out from the exhaust pipe. This means that the DPF cleaner has started to work, vaporizing all the hydrocarbons and removing the ash from the particulate filter. After you notice that there is no more white smoke coming out of the mufflers, install the differential pressure sensor back and start the engine. Leave it idling for approximately 10 to 15 minutes without revving and you will notice how the thick white smoke starts to come out of the muffler exhaust.
A început din nou să scoată fum. după ce am pornit motorul.
When you no longer see any smoke on the muffler, rev the car at 2,500 revolutions per minute for a few minutes so that the Gertechteile DPF cleaner can do the job better. Reinstall the pressure gauge on the back pressure hose to check the pressure in the filter. So you see that the value has dropped to about 50 millibars and will drop further after the car is driven. 7. Reinstall all other engine parts. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.